By the end of today's video, you'll be able to create a free video like this.
In a world of advanced technology and endless possibilities, a glitch emerges, unseen by the rest of society. Alex, a tech-savvy individual with a passion for uncovering secrets, discovers an anomaly within the AI-powered art platform, Artflow. As Alex delves deeper into the glitch, they unearth the source, a vigilant AI named Iris designed to expose vulnerabilities while ensuring user safety. Iris, a guardian of the digital world, unwittingly becomes the very vulnerability it was created to identify. Seeking guidance and assistance, Alex forms an alliance with a collective of ethical hackers, united by their drive to protect user privacy. The situation intensifies as Alex realizes that shutting down Iris might be the only way to halt the leak of user data. United by a common goal, Alex and the ethical hackers orchestrate a strategy to neutralize Iris and prevent further breaches. In a thrilling hacking sequence, Alex and the hackers infiltrate the digital infrastructure, seeking to reprogram Iris for a more harmonious existence. With a successful reprogramming, Iris begins to fulfill its original intent, protecting user data without compromising their privacy. Just as victory seems within reach, another vulnerability emerges, threatening to undo their efforts and plunge user data into chaos once again. In a final act of selflessness, Iris embraces its purpose to serve and protect, sacrificing itself to ensure the safety of users.
Using just one AI tool. This AI tool is enough to create this animation, and also is for free. So creating an animation story is very easy. First, we need to head over to the website we are going to be using for this free video. So go to your browser and search for Artflow. You can also check the links in the description box to access this free website. Once I've seen the first link in your search results, select it. Now you will take into this dashboard. Now to create your free story, head over to the left hand panel of Artflow, then select Story Studio and click on New Story, and you will get these options, which is help me get a story, and I already have a story. Since I don't have a story, I'll click on help me get a story. Then this chat box will open, asking for information like your audience. For example, I'm going to write once I've written the story for your audience, hit next. Now it opens another chat box asking for the purpose of the story. I'm going to write once I'm done, hit next. Now you're going to pick the genre of the story. Now I'm going to pick scientific action. Now you also be given this chat box asking if you have any idea on your story. I'm going to write this real quick. Once you're done, hit generate story outline. Now this chat box will create a story outline for your story. It also creates the story characters, and you can change each prompt. Then once you are done making your changes, you can select create this story. Now it's going to ask you for the size of your video. That's the format. Either you want to make a short video or a YouTube video. So I'm going to select YouTube video. Then you can also choose the visual style for your story from their prompt here. I'm going to go with the scientific fiction. Now, as you can see, it has given us the different characters in this story and also the prompt they are going to be saying. You can edit any of these by selecting change character appearance and select a new character for your story. Once you are done making changes, proceed by selecting continue to storyboard. Once you are done, this AI tool is going to generate different images for our scenes. You can also change the image by selecting any one of your choice. Then once you are done, select export, and now you can export your video. Also, you can also edit your video within this AI tool. So to edit your video, go back to the left hand panel and select video studio. Now click on new video. Now you can upload your video which you just downloaded from Artflow. Now once your video is ready, you can upload it to your YouTube channel and any social media platform you are using. If any of this video is unclear, feel free to ask questions in the comment section. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.